Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the Node.js. In the last four videos, we already talked about the login, register, validate, email verification when you send the email. So that we have already done. Forgot password we have done in the next previous video. Now we are come up with the last video, that is reset password. Okay, so you have to watch the full series because I have explained each and every code step by step in the tutorials, right? You can go and check this one. So last one, that is reset password, which we are going to learn in this video. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please to subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please to like, share and comment on my video. So let's get started. So here we have a reset password. Okay, so first we check the reset password validation. So this is the reset password, right? Email, reset code, password, and the confirm password. So these four parameters we required for the resetting the password. Okay, these all are the validation. If email field is required, reset code is required, password field is required, if the password should be at least 6 characters, if the password is not matching, okay, then it will throw respective errors accordingly, right? So after the validations, if it is not valid, then return all the errors, else check the email, reset code, and the password. First find the email, it exists. If it is not, email not found. If it is exist, then com- reset code, compare the reset code that you are getting, user dot reset password token. Then after the comparison, if it is match, right, then check the reset password expires from that one. Okay, then set that reset password token to be undefined, reset password expires to be this one, and save that user. Okay, then we have to check the passwords, right? So whatever the password we are going on, then we have to match that passwords, then set that passwords into our db. Okay, then password hash and reset password token, reset password expires to be undefined, then save that user and it will go the message with password change successfully. So what is the logic behind this? I will explain you. So basically, first we check that the validation like email, password, and the confirmed password is correct or not. If it is not, throw that errors. After that, we will checking whether the email which we are sending exists or not. Right? If it is not, that it's throw the email not found. Then we are comparing the password token whether it's to be correct or not. Okay. Then this one. Okay. Then whatever. Then we have to hash that password. Okay. So we have to get the password and hash this one and save that passwords in the password field, and make sure reset password tokens make it undefined, so because we have already validated and saved that user. Let's check into the postpen. So here we go with the users.js. So here we have a reset password, copy paste over here, right? Post what we required, email. Okay, so here we have required password. Let me check all of the stuffs over here. So here we go, the reset password. So validate input, so that is required reset code. So it is already go into your email, so we have to add this one, reset code. Then we require password. We require, let me check this password. Password is, set any of the password. Let me add the test at the rate 123 to make it the test to be capital. Okay, and reset code we have to add in the email. So here we go with this one, email, reset code, copy and add this over here, right? The code is added. Next, the next step is, let's check the another parameter, that is password 2. Let's add this one because this needs to be matched. Here is password 2. So I'm going to add this over here. Save. Let's try to reset the password. Send. Password change successfully. Okay. So let's try to log in with this password. So here we have the login functionality, this validation. Okay, so not an issue. We make it like login over here and try to log in, remove this one. Okay, Okay, if I go with login with the previous password, then what happened, right? So let's try to send password incorrect. Yeah, because it's the previous one. Adding the new one. Okay, let's try to send this one. It's returning the token, that means it's logged in successfully. Okay, and we can check the DB also at the same note. So here we are going to check this one, users, then validating to be true. Okay, so this is how we are able to reset the password successfully. Any doubt, any query in that, let me know in the comment section. So we have already covered the login, register, email verification, forgot password, and the reset password. Any doubt, any query in that, let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.